Hyundai Elantra 2012, new alternator from Hyundai. Car off, battery voltage was 12.5. Switch is on. 12.3 volts. Amps 0.01. And we have, not as accurate, but also a log, a timeline of the voltage. Okay, Elizabeth, turn on the car. Four amps. Voltage is 4.4. Expected. .8. It's a little bit off from the multimeter, but 1 volt off, half a volt off. No, 1 volt off. Alright, we're gonna give it a minute or two, and we're gonna load with the headlights on not yet, in a second. And then we'll do a voltage drop test on the negative side of the terminal of the battery and the positive side. Turn your lights on, please. Lights are on, 14.6 volts, 4 amps. With the headlights on, we're going to rev the engine to 2,500 RPM, and the voltage should be between 11.7 and 15. Obviously there I don't have the light, but no peculiar noise from the alternator. Elizabeth rev the engine to 2,000 slowly, and then for like 5 to 10 seconds, then to 2,500. We're good. Alright. I will write in the comment section what my voltage drop test results were. Grab was pretty steady.